Good morning, class 7 students. How are you all? Hope you all are in good health. So, we are reading the chapter Wind, Storm and Cyclone in Science. In today's class, we are going to learn about wind. What is wind and how the wind is formed. As you all know, that moving air is called wind. There are various forms of wind even. Commonly, we heard about the different types of storms which is called Aandhi, Kal Baisakhi or Loo. Okay. So, this moving air which is called wind is very helpful for certain purposes like movement of ship or even a kite. So in today's class we will learn about wind. The main cause behind the formation of wind is the heat of the sun. Because when the sun heats the different parts of the earth and the heat is unevenly distributed, then wind is formed. So it is the uneven distribution of the temperature over Earth's surface which is responsible for the wind. As you know, air expands on heating and becomes lighter in weight. So this light air rises up while the cool heavy air rushes to take its position. Here in this diagram we can see, due to sun's heat, the warm air rises up and create the low pressure area, while the cold air moves down and creates a high pressure area. Okay, so due to this hot air that rises up and the cold air which moves down, it continue to form a wind current. Now let's see what are the different types of wind. Like when the speed of moving air is slow, then it's a breeze, while a very high speed wind is called a storm. Okay, so here are the devices that you can see which are used for measuring the direction and speed of wind. Anemometers are used for measuring the speed of wind. There are two types of anemometer, that is cup anemometer and propeller anemometer. Okay, cup anemometer and propeller anemometer. While direction of wind is determined by a wind vane. Okay. So here in this diagram you can see, due to uneven heating of Earth's surface, hot air rises up creating low pressure area and cool air rushes towards that creating high pressure. So students, now can you try to answer these two? Differentiate between breeze and storm and wind vane and anemometer. So this would be your homework, okay? So students, what you see here? You can see smoke from a chimney rising into the atmosphere. As we already know that warm air is lighter than cold air. Therefore, you have observed that smoke coming out of a chimney always rises up into the air. It is because due to expansion, it occupies more space, right? Therefore, you can see that warm air is lighter than the cold air. Therefore, what are the effects of air pressure? You see, the region where the air rises, an area of low pressure is created, while you see an area where warm air rises, low pressure region is created. At the same time, the region where air sinks, an area of high pressure is created. So please practice this diagram, students, how the cold air is sinking and it is creating a high pressure region. So now you see, these are the conditions when there is formation of wind. So students, we can conclude that wind currents are generated due to uneven heating on the earth's surface. Uneven or unequal heating between the equator and the poles. Here in this diagram of your text, it's very much clearly shown that how due to movement of the rotational movement of earth causes the different types of wind current. Please draw and practice this pattern of the wind flow due to uneven heating on the earth along with the direction scale. So we have come to an end of today's class. Now looking at these two figures, can you identify the activities? Please try to identify these two activities. See you in the next class.